Bud is just thinking roasted falcon for dinner.
Falcon or a hawk, or I can't remember what that is.
I almost thought it was like a hawk or an eagle.
It's definitely not an eagle. It's a I'm trying to think, but the word's right on the tip of my tongue.
Vulture?
No. What is it? I think it starts with an S.
No, that thing is not a sparrow.
No, it's not, but I think it's eating a sparrow.
Yeah.
I haven't quite figured out what it is.
Well, after it's done...
He sure is hungry, though.
Oh, yeah.
Buddy, you're making him nervous. Buddy, you are not a fat enough cat to handle that bird.
No. He'd look at you and he'd say, ooh, a meal. Wouldn't he? Yeah, he'd just have to latch into Buddy at least 2 times.
Those talons would just rip Buddy to shreds.
Yeah. They'd skewer our arm. He's kind of nervous.
Gonna stand up a little. There he goes.
Ooh.
And there goes all the feathers.
Plumage.